much longer.
12 seconds.
Oh, look, your candle went out. Heavens, you brought more matches.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push them off.
How many do you think there are?
Oh, 1 million at least. But I think ours is the best.
Yeah, all the rest look like stupid watermelons.
Aren't they gorgeous?
Fabulous.
Fantastic.
The best watermelon boats we've ever made.
The candles, they look like stars dancing across the water.
Sir Galahad searching the seas, looking for the Holy Grail.
Mine will be first across, I bet.
Why is that?
It's smaller. The wind will pick it up.
They look the same size to me.
The secret's in the cutting.
Hey, Kate. Notice anything?
No,
I'm wearing a bra.
I'm never going to wear one.
My mother says that you'll look like a cow if you don't.
I like cows.
Hanging to your knees.
Oh, she only says that to scare you, so that when you do have breasts, you'll squash them all down.
I wonder who we'll have for 6th grade.
Mr. Hawkins, I hope.
I know, me too. He has the neatest eyes. Every time he looks at me, I have to go to the bathroom. Did you know that I was born 9 months after my brother died?
Exactly?
He died January 9th, and I was born October 9th.
They did it the day he died?
I cannot believe that boys put their...
Oh, the whole idea is gross.
I wonder what it feels like.
Oh, no boy's ever going to do that to me.
Never?
Well, maybe if I was married, but I probably won't because of my career.
There's still pictures of him all over the house. My father wishes that I was a boy.
Mine too.
Doesn't that just make you furious? Oh, God, why does Mother tie my hair so tight?
Here, let me help.
Thanks. You know, you've been my best friend ever since the 1st grade. Isn't it amazing that we've been coming to this lake every year for 6 years?
Mm-hmm.
Am I yours?
My what?
Best friend.
Yeah, sure.
Do you have a lot of best friends?
Some.
Don't you think it's weird that we're best friends and we're both named Catherine?
It's lucky everyone calls you Kitty and me Kate.
Kate is a silly name.
It's perfect for you.
I'd rather have your name.
When I'm a great writer, everyone will call me Catherine.
Like Catherine Mansfield.
Who?
I want in understanding myself to understand others. She wrote that in 1922 in her journal.
Oh. Yes.
I have total recall. People with high IQs usually do.
You know your IQ?
Mm-hmm.
How?
Well, I looked it up in Miss Porter's office once.
What's mine?
Oh, that's none of my business.
But you know it?
I might.
Then tell me.
I shouldn't.
I'll tell Miss Porter if you don't.
Well, I don't remember exactly, but it's lower than mine. My God, if the fog ruins the race, I will die. I can't even see our boats from here. There they are, Kate. Come look. Kate? Kate? You're still mad, huh?
I'm not, but the whole class is furious. We had a chance to win the high school drama club 3 years in a row.
It was just a stupid play. Look, I'm sorry, Kate. I know you wrote it and it's good and everything.
It look good on my college application.
I'm sorry. But, why didn't you just let me work on the set? I mean, I'm good at art. Why'd you make me be that brainless maid?
Oh, come off it, Kitty. You were dying to be the maid. The maid had the cute costume.
Well, no one told me that she had any lines.
Only one.
I freeze in front of people.
4 words. 4 simple words and you screw them up.
My parents must have fallen through the floor with embarrassment. God, I wish I had a drink.
I've told you 1,000,000 times. Every ounce of liquor you drink destroys 10 million brain cells.
Oh, who cares about my brain anyway? Boys certainly don't.
You make me so mad, you know that? When are you going to grow up, Kitty? Really, when?
When are you going to grow up, Kitty? Really? When? You sound just like my parents. Kitty, why can't you be more like Kate? More mature. Kate has her feet on the ground. Kate has a good head on her shoulders. Well, you know what? Maybe I don't want to be like you. I want to be me. Not that I could be you anyway, right? God, I sound so insecure. It's probably because I haven't had my period in 2 months. Kate, do you think I could be pregnant?
2 months isn't very long.
I stopped the pill.
Damn!
Well, who wants to get cancer?
Who wants to have a baby?
I'll just get an abortion.
Don't be crazy.
You know what? I don't have the vaguest idea who the father could be either. Can you imagine any of the imbeciles that we know being a father? I can't.
You've got to stop sleeping around.
I can't. I mean, I don't want to.
Have some respect for yourself.
I like it.
You like being used? Because that's what they're doing, you know. You might as well be a urinal.
That's not how it is, Kate. I mean, when I'm close to a boy, really close, it's like for a moment, I'm important. For a short time, I'm connected to something, part of a bigger thing. At home, later in bed, though, I feel more alone. Oh, Kate, do you think that there could be actually a tiny human growing inside of me, a little body with fingers and toes?
Why do I feel responsible for you?
Promise me you'll come with me if I have to have an abortion.
I will do anything in the world for you but that.
You have to.
I can't. It's wrong.
I would for you.
Abortion is wrong.
What'll I do?
I'm sorry, Kitty. I have to follow my conscience.
You're really hard, Kate. You know
If
that?
having principles is hard.
Even here in the spring at the lake, I'm all relaxed and you're just so tight.
I wish I could help you.
Oh, you're tight, thin, hard, year-round. You're just so vanilla.
What?
It's very dull. Hard, thin, and brown, year-round. Very dull. Absolutely vanilla. Boring.
Sorry.
Maybe for your senior year, you could let go a little. I mean, maybe just even smile at a guy.
Too disciplined, I guess.
Too well brought up.
Probably.
Or scared.
What?
Oh, you might ruin the image. Perfect woman, nobly planned.
It's late, I have to go.
I bet you stay up at night thinking of all the lines you won't cross. Perfect stays on her side, looking down her nose at the rest of us fucking up on the other.
Good night, Kitty.
And you want to be a writer? That's a laugh. Who's going to read you? You don't know the first thing about life. Oh, it's cold. Not even a moon in the sky. But I can see the first star. Sometimes I like to imagine that there's people out there looking down at us thinking that we're stars. Oh God, Kate, don't write that in your first novel. People will think that I am insane.
I doubt I'll write one line, much less a book.
You're joking.
No.
But you're going to be a famous writer.
Who says?
You've always said.
Well, change my mind.
You can't do that.
Stop staring at me. The fog's breaking up.
I have a famous friend.
Swell.
You've always known where you were going and how you were going to get there.
That was grade school.
And high school too.
Well, college is different. Not only harder, but there's a lot of people out there smarter. They don't try and please everyone all the time. Oh, Kitty, you were right. I do want to be perfect. Remember when you said that?
No.
5 years ago, here at the lake. At first I was furious. Then I wanted to cry. But I couldn't. Know why? I didn't feel enough.
Well, it's better than feeling too much. Like I do.
You're sensitive.
I'm too easily hurt.
You know what I do when I start to feel something? I come up with this holier than thou superior look. Inside, I'm dying to experience everything, but I never will. Because I act like I already have. Oh, Kitty. What if I died without ever experiencing anything?
But you'll make it. You've got talent.
I'm not as smart as you.
But you're stronger.
No, Kitty, you are. You wouldn't even let me change you.
Did you want to change me?
I thought you wanted me to.
The only thing I want is to get married, be a good mother, and have you for my friend.
You don't need me.
But you're my friend, my perfect friend. I love you.
The only thing perfect about me is what you just said.
From up here, you can still see our boats. sailing away, neck and neck.
We're not across yet.
No, but we'll make it.
The trick is the journey.
Can you believe that we are now grown, mature women?
Seems like only minutes ago we were 11. Sometimes I wish we didn't have to get any older. Wouldn't it be nice if now could be always?
Scene. All right. Very, very good. Excellent work. Okay, now I'm going to call all the actors back up. Let's clear that set. Just the tables and chairs so we have room for all the actors. Now, this play that you just saw, this is an interesting fact, was actually written for the two actors to use ladders to represent the observing, being in a tree, that sort of thing.